Hello everyone, my name is Just461 here. I'm actually in my bathroom right now. There's a lot of commotion going on. We're going to open this lady up. She looks beautiful, as you can probably tell. So I already got the wrapping paper off. It's in the trash over there. Jeez, I gotta clean this bathroom. So here it's official. It's legit. So, I already opened like one cake thingy, as you can see. So, what we're going to do is we're going to open this baby up. Oh my gosh. I'm kidding, I'm not like that. Okay. Open that. I'm sorry, I'm gonna get my own way a lot, like camera wise. I'm gonna get in my face. Alright, last one. It's right here. Put it up. There, I got it. Let's open her up. Oh, come on! Really? I don't know where the. Oh, this is the back of the box right here. This looks nice. Oh, wow. It looks like that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Come out, Madoka! Come out! Sorry about the noise again. It's just my sister's brother, little sister. Oh my. Oh my gosh! I'm fanboying over here. I'm gonna have to cut this a lot. Like I'm gonna have to like cut out. All right, let's take a peek. Let's take a look. Let's just get her out real quick. All right, so here's what the figure looks like. This is the stand. This is the figure itself. And this is the arms, the head. Why would you need to connect the arms? Like the arms need the main parts of putting something together. Get in your face. Oh crap, I'm gonna need the knife. I need both hands, if you know what I mean? No, I'm kidding. I'm just gonna put her together too, like, probably on camera. Maybe I'm gonna have to cut out. Oh, jeez. Hard to do. Pain in the A. I need my teeth for that one. I need my teeth. Oh, I need my teeth. I'll put her like on the. I'm just gonna show you where I'm gonna put them. I'm just gonna put them on here. Open this up. I'm just gonna. You can see the bite marks. Hey, I'll show you. So you can see my bite marks right here. Probably can't see it. Here, let me just do that. Right. I'm being summoned, but I need to open this with the interwebs. Open. I'm back. I had a few technical difficulties. Had to work out some stuff. That was pretty fast though, wasn't it? I'm kidding. That was a bit of delay. Sorry about that. And I can't stop recording because I'm using my phone. So, let's just open this turret right here. This is like the longest, like if I was to do an actual, unboxing of anything, this one would be the longest one. Jeez. I had to do a Sayaka one. The Homura one was pretty easy. All I had to do was just show off the figurine. But this thing, it's just, it's so painful. Here, I got 1 out of 2 arms out. I'm gonna put her together. I'm gonna put her